Question 9 is about limits. First part A is easy. Just substitute f minus x and then show it is the same as fx. So it will be even. Why? Because all the things cancel, all the negative side disappear. So it becomes psi square kx over x square. So you have to write clearly it is equal to fx. For B part, the limit is 0 over 0, so you use L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate numerator and denominator, so the numerator becomes 2 psi kx k cosine kx, very complicated, and but we combine them to side to kx first and make it simpler. Simplify the numerator first, so it becomes k sine 2kx, and still 2x squared. And then our 0 over 0 again, so L'Hopital's rule again, differentiate it again. Just be careful, don't make careless mistake too. Okay, so k cosine 2kx multiplied by 2k, and substitute x equals 0 inside. This time we can do it. Okay, 1, so it is k squared. So k squared equals 16, so k equals plus 4 only because positive real number. Do you got the answer? Surely you got it. Well done.